Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematisha. So we are doing straight lines and now we are going to do how to find equation of axes and lines parallel to axes. So let's see. First of all, we start with equation of a line which is a distance above x-axis and it is a horizontal line. That means it's a parallel to x-axis. Let's see. This is x-axis. This is y-axis, x and y. Now, a line which is a distance above x-axis. So, this distance is going to be a. If this distance is a, then clearly this distance is also a. And therefore, the coordinates of this point are 0, a. This is on y-axis, so x coordinate is 0 and this is a distance apart, so y coordinate is a. So if it is a distance above x-axis, y coordinate of any point on this line is going to be a. X will vary but y is always going to be a. So equation of line in such case is given by y equal to a, because in this case y is always going to be equal to a. Next, now we do a distance below x-axis. Let's see. Again, this is x-axis. Let's draw y-axis. If we are talking about a distance below x-axis, that means it is something like this. This is the line, horizontal line, which is a distance below x-axis. Now, this is the negative side of y-axis. This line is negative side of y-axis and this distance is a. That means the coordinates of this point are 0, minus a. Fine. So, this is origin. Below it, it will be negatives. So, any point on this line has coordinates. X coordinate will be something different, but y coordinate is always going to be minus a. So equation of line in this case will be y equal to minus a. That means equation of lines parallel to x-axis, if it is above x-axis, it would be y equal to a. Below x-axis, it will be y equal to minus a. But what about the case if it is exactly x-axis? So, we are talking about x-axis now, equation of x-axis. With the same logic, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. We know that any point on x-axis has y coordinate 0. Every point on this axis has y coordinate 0. So, equation of x-axis with the same logic is given by y equal to 0. Otherwise, you can also think like x-axis is a line 0 distance apart from itself. So, a is equal to 0 here. So, y is equal to 0. Now, we will do equation of lines. Those are vertical. That means parallel to y-axis. Let's see. So, vertical lines will be of two types. Let's say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now first type is a distance to the right of y-axis. Let's draw the line. To the right of y-axis, a distance like this. Now this point will be, because this distance is a and it is on x-axis, so this point will be a0. And any point on this line is going to have x coordinate equal to a. So equation of line in this case will be x equal to a. Next, that is a distance to the left of y-axis. So let this be the x-axis and we have this y-axis. And if we are talking about left of the y-axis, then it would be a line like this. This distance is a. So as we have done earlier, this point will have coordinates minus a 0. So any point on this line is going to have x coordinate equal to minus a. So equation of this line will become x is equal to minus a. Now same case if the line is exactly on y-axis. So equation of y-axis, we can treat it as equation of a vertical line which is 0 distance apart from y-axis. So equation of y-axis will be x equal to 0. Now let's recapitulate what we have done in this lecture. We have done that equation of a line parallel to x-axis is given by y is equal to a or y is equal to minus a, where y equal to a if line is above x-axis and y is equal to minus a if it is below x-axis. And if it is on x-axis, we will say y equal to 0. And equation of lines parallel to y-axis is given by x is equal to a or x is equal to minus a. X is equal to a if line is on the right of y-axis, right side, then it is positive, and x is equal to minus a if it is on the left side of y-axis. And in particular, if we are talking about equation of y-axis, it would be x is equal to 0. So that's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.